Good wintry Sunday morning, everyone. Taking a look at your radar at this hour, and this was at about 7:30 or so. Notice some wintry mix of precipitation. Let me highlight this, especially across the north end of Cumberland County. It's white here in Rennie. We've got sleet and snow laying around everywhere. And then you've got some very heavy mixed precipitation off to our west. We'll see these pockets of mixed precipitation from time to time, but then you see back over toward Nashville, you've got some pretty good pockets of snow, even some snow mixed in. So it's going to be a mixed bag of precipitation as we go through these morning hours, but it will gradually change over to all snow, and that snow will come down heavy at times. Your daily weather map shows the same thing. Notice that heavy snow outlined right here on the Cumberland Plateau. All eyes are kind of on our region today as we're going to see the heaviest snowfall rates of anyone here up on the Cumberland Plateau. And again, the forecast still calling for at least half a foot of snow. Some of you all may see closer to upwards of 10 to even 12 inches in isolated locations. And that's exactly what the forecast shows. Confidence is high in 6 to 8 inches of snow area wide. The lower end amounts might be toward the south end of Cumberland County, but even that's kind of questionable. You all may end up getting, as much as anybody else. So it's just about those temperature profiles in the atmosphere. Just like this morning, it snowed really heavy here at one point this morning, and then it changed back over to a sleet, kind of a freezing rain mix, and then it's back over to snow again. And then we're going to see that across the plateau throughout these morning hours, this kind of change over back and forth. A wintry mix, as we call it, and then which will gradually change over to some big wet snowflakes. And of course, here's my timeline. I've now adjusted my timeline a little bit for that wintry mix to last right on up until mid-morning across the plateau. Some of y'all may see some snow sooner than that. Some of y'all may see snow a little bit later than that. So heavy snow for all, it looks like by noon for sure. And then we see that snow continuing through the afternoon, even some thunder snow possible. And that's when snow rates come down very heavily. Temperatures are very cold aloft, so you get like a thunderstorm. So, but except it's not producing heavy rainfall, it's producing heavy snowfall. So that's a rare phenomenon to see, but it's certainly something we could see today in very isolated locations. Not everyone's going to see that. And sometimes the thunder is hard to hear in thunder snow because the snow muffles the sound. So you might see a flash, but you might not actually hear much thunder. Snow tapers off by this evening, and then lingering impacts for sure into Monday. So just be aware of that, folks. And I'll keep you posted on all the latest developments today. Just keep it right here to meteorologistmark.com.